Hey, what's up, guys? John from johnmcneil.com. And first off, I guess you can probably tell that my thumbnail presentation is not as polished as it usually is, and that's just because I created it in canva.com for free. And my usual graphics guy is on a holiday, so hopefully he'll be back soon so that you guys won't see these terrible looking thumbnails. I'm not very creative, you can see. But anyways, guys, I wanted to make this video today about custom YouTube intro videos that you can make in 5 minutes. Somebody asked me the other day on my channel, you know, how can you actually make the intro video that you guys will see here in a second. And so I want to show you guys a very easy way that I discovered even after I had paid to get mine created, which I wish I would have known about this other resource that is much better than what I have and much cheaper. So guys, let's go ahead and figure out how you can get custom YouTube intro videos in 5 minutes. And we're starting right now. What's up, guys? John from johnmcneil.com, and here I'm at tubearsenal.com. And basically what this website is, it's for custom intros for your YouTube channel. You can basically brand your channel with all sorts of custom automation. So you actually just saw like what I would refer to as a YouTube intro that you saw just now. And I actually just found somebody online and paid somebody. I want to say I paid like 25 bucks for them to do that. But I want to show you guys, this site here has intros that are already pre-done for you. And all you literally have to do is basically input like either your website name, your logo, and everything is kind of done for you. So if I kind of just hold my mouse over here, you're going to see what I mean. See that, guys? Woo! JohnMcNeil.com, you know what I'm saying? So you can look at this, guys. All right, so, and they have a ton of them. So if I actually just go over to templates, you can just scroll down here and just find anything to your choice. You know, look at this one. So these templates are already done for you, right? So all you have to do is just basically, you know, find one that you like, and then you click on it, and then you kind of input your information. So I kind of started doing one up here. So it's free to sign up. And so I found this one that I liked or whatever like that. So what I ended up doing was I inputted my title. So I put in johnmcneil.com here. So I selected one. You literally just, like over here, if you find one, you just click on customize name. So say if I wanted that one, I could just go ahead and input like my text here. But I actually had started doing this one, so I wanted to show you guys this. So I just put in johnmcneil.com, and then I uploaded like a picture of me. And this could be like for your logo or whatever like this. So and then you can preview it real fast. johnmcneil.com. Woo! So, and check this out, guys. That base price is $9, right? And you got a YouTube intro video, and you can use this for your intro or your outro. You can have an intro video and an outro video. You could just do whatever you want to do, but it's so cheap and they're so professional, and you can even get it in HD for an additional $4. You buy it and it's yours. Very simple, very easy. You go over to TubeArsenal, you sign up for free. You go through these tons of templates that they have here. You select, you customize. All right, you customize, and then you know, you just buy it for really cheap. So real easy way to start doing your intros and your outro videos for YouTube. And I told you guys I'm going to start like making more little videos about this, about, you know, YouTube marketing, because I really feel like it's important for everyone that's doing affiliate marketing to be implementing video marketing in their business to drive traffic, brand, get leads, and get sales, guys. So this is John from johnmcneil.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you did by commenting below. And if you'd like to get my free ebook on affiliate marketing, how to do it from A to Z, make sure you go down in the description below and get it from my website at johnmcneil.com. I'll see you in the next video, guys.